Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I respect Miss Sindira Galuwardani, MPD, as a lecturer in English course at the University Bina Sarana Informatika Banyumas Campus. I will present my English project assignment. Project English topic Hardware and Computer by Anisatun Aziza, class 19 to I-21. Topic 1. Hardware. Definition of hardware. Hardware is all the physical component of a computer that can be seen, touched, and felt directly. This hardware functions as the main supporting tool in running the data processing process, from input process to output. Hardware works in an integrated manner with software to carry out instruction or command given by the user. Without hardware, software cannot be run, and vice versa. Without software, hardware will not function optimally. Type of hardware. 1. Input device. Input device are hardware that is responsible for sending data to computer. These devices work from command and control seen by the user. Each input device sends different data to the computer. This depends on the input device used. 2. Processing device. Processing device can be said to be a component that bridges between input device, output device, and storage device, because all computing tasks run on the processing device. 3. Output device. An output device is a device that functions to display data or information that has been processed by the processor based on data entered by the input device. 4. Storage device. A storage device is an inseparable part of computer hardware, which functions to store information or data from all results of computing processing. 5. Peripherals. Peripherals are additional hardware that can help improve usability or help work by being connected to a computer device. These peripheral devices can receive input to output to help the computer work that cannot be done by software in the execution of hardware. Input. Entering data into the computer. Processing incoming data. Storing data and processing result. Output. Displaying or outputting processing result. Control. Managing and coordinating all hardware activity. Example of input device: keyboard, mouse, webcam, barcode scanner, joystick, microphone. Sample of processing device: CPU, central processing unit, consists of ALU, arithmetic logging unit, CU, control unit, and GPU, graphic processing unit. Example of output device: monitor, printer, speaker, handphones, projector, plotter, LED display panel. Sample of storage device: RAM, random access memory, hard disk drive, solid state drive, flash disk, CD, and DVD. Sample of peripherals: modem, external hard drive, card reader, game controller. Topic 2. Computer. Definition of computer. The general definition of a computer is a set of electronic devices that can be used to process data according to various previously formulated procedures, so that it can provide very useful information for each user. Computer according to experts. 1. Robert H. Blismer. Robert H. Blismer explained that the definition of a computer is an electronic device that can perform various tasks, such as receiving input and processing it according to command, storing various commands and managing the result, and providing the result in the form of complete information. 2. V.C. Hamaser. According to V.C. Hamaser, the definition of a computer is a vast electronic calculating machine that is able to obtain digital input information and then process it according to the program that has been stored in its memory and produce output in the form of information. Donald Hay Sander argues that the definition of a computer is an electronic system that can be used to manipulate data quickly and accurately, design and organized to be able to receive and store data automatically, process various data to produce output based on commands that have previously been stored in memory. A computer, one portable computer. A portable computer is a computer that is easy to carry anywhere, which can be used for reasons need in the field and moving from place to place. 2. Desktop computer. The definition of a desktop computer is a computer that is placed on a table. 3. Palm top computer. A palm top computer is a computer that has a small shape and can even be used. 4. Tower computer. A tower computer is a computer with a larger shape than a desktop computer. Generally, this computer is stored on top of or on the side of the table. 5. Notebook computer. The definition of a notebook computer is a computer that has a thinner size. This type of computer is usually used by students, teachers, and research, while need like a compact computer device. 6. Handbook sub-notebook. A handbook is a type of notebook but with a smaller size than a notebook. Usually handbooks are supported by very low space processor. 7. Laptop computer. A laptop computer is a computer that can be placed on the lap of its user. Computer 1. Data input. Computer machines are able to receive information or data from other sources organizing from outside. The data will be usually received through various activity on the keyboard, mouse, or from other computer and other equipment. 2. Data processing. The main function of a computer is to be able to process data so that it can later produce output in the form of information. Usually, data processed in a computer is available in the form of image, text, audio, graphic, and other. Data output. The next function of a computer is to be able to provide output result after going through various data processing process. This information can later be present as a monitor, printer, and also speaker. For data storage, computer can also be presented as a place to store data so that the data can be easily found and reset by its user. The data can later be stored in the computer memory or into external memory. 5. Data movement. Another function of a computer is to be able to move data from one computer to another or various other output device. Thank you.